Welding pays well, sure, but why do some people say welding isn't a good job? Let's look at the downsides. Welding is hard on the body. Awkward positions, long hours, and repetitive strain add up over time. Exposure to fumes, burns, eye strain, and heat are part of the trade. Without PPE and good ventilation, risks rise fast. Conditions can be tough: boiling hot summers, freezing winters, cramped spaces, or loud shops. Travel gigs mean weeks away from home. Overtime boosts pay, but it eats into your work life balance. Automation handles repetitive welds, and slowdowns in certain industries can hit job security. It's not always steady. So, why is welding sometimes seen as not a good job? Because it's demanding physically, mentally, and lifestyle wise. But if you manage the risk and pick the right lane, it can still pay off.